Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to completely uninstall McAfee from your Windows 11 computer. Quick and easy in 2025. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps, then click Install Apps. Scroll down and find McAfee in the list. Click the three dots beside it, then choose Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again when prompted. Follow the on-screen steps until it's fully removed. After it finishes, restart your computer to complete the process. If McAfee is still showing, open your browser, search for McAfee removal tool, download it, and run it for a full cleanup. And that's it. McAfee is gone from your Windows 11 PC. Now, you can install your preferred antivirus or keep Windows Defender active for protection.